Hello YouTubers and welcome to my channel. Today's adventure is going to be off the motorcycle but still involve it. As I was putting some air in my tires earlier this morning, I noticed that I had a small nail in my rear tire, and today we're going to remove the nail and patch the tire. First, we'll start with today's Bible verse, which is out of Matthew chapter 5 verse 3. This comes from Jesus' Sermon on the Mount. These are the words of Jesus. Blessed are the poor in spirit, for theirs is the kingdom of heaven. All right, let me lower you down here. I've put the bike up on the center stand. Put you down here where maybe you can see a bit more about what we're doing. All right, let's see if we can locate the nail again. Right there it is. Not a big nail, but enough that it's had a slow leak in the tire. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to pull that nail out. Get some pliers here. Looks like it should be in a fairly good area where I can patch it. This could be a tough one to get out. There we go. All right, you can hear the air hissing out of there. Looks like the nail itself actually broke off. You can see it there. It's about 1 inch long. All right, I'm going to get my tire repair kit out of the saddlebag over here. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to ream that hole out. Counterintuitively, you're first going to make the hole bigger, and then we're going to plug it. You have to make the hole bigger in order to get the plug to fit in properly. Now we're going to take our little plugging tool. This gets a little bit messy. These things have some, I don't know, some kind of glue on them. This is what we got. I got 6 of these. Came in this package. Already used one. Using the second one now, so there'll be 4 left after this. Once I get this put in, I think I'll be happy with it. Now, I'm going to put that through this thing here. I get about halfway through. Okay, that looks pretty good there. Now I'm going to take this, we're going to insert it into that hole. Okay, now I'm going to use my Fantic air pump here. This is a really nice pump. You can watch Cruiseman's reviews on this pump. Okay, let's see how long it takes this pump to pump the tire up from 0 pressure to 41 pounds. Five minutes, 52 seconds from 0 to 41 pounds. So that is how I patch a tire anyway. I'll let you know how this does. Hopefully it'll hold air. I'm going to take it out for a little spin. Not get too far from home just in case there's any problems. Alright, well, how long would you guys ride on a patched tire? This is the second time I patched one. I think I rode about 700 or 800 miles on the last one before I finally went in and got a new tire. Just before I was getting ready to go on a long trip. In any case, I hope you enjoyed this. I recommend carrying a tire patch kit with you when you're out and about on your motorcycle. It can help save you from having to have an expensive tow. In any case, ride safely, my friends, and avoid those nails if you can.